Hello, YouTube. Luigi here. I know what you're thinking. Holy cow, Luigi, 3 flashlights in 3 weeks. What's wrong with you? Have you caught another compulsive collecting bug? Well, I hope not. I hope this to be the last one. To recap, first one was the Coast G45, which tragically, it disappeared after 2 days. It lost, it's stolen, I don't know what. And I have a standing rule in my apartment. If you can't find something, look on the floor. That usually works. The second one was the G55, G32, 2 AA's. The Coast was 3 AAA. The first one was 3 AAA's. This is 2 AA's. This has significantly longer run time in the low mode. The G42 only had like an hour, but it only had a high mode. So that was one of the reasons I went looking for the other one, even before I realized I couldn't find the first one. Well, then I'm watching YouTube, of course, and I'm looking at a SHOT Show video, and they're interviewing the Coast guy, and the very first words out of his mouth is how this HX5R is a game changer. And the R stands for rechargeable. No more batteries. 340 lumens on high, 75 at low, an hour and a half on high, 4 hours and 15 minutes on a low beam. The high beam has a throw of 583 feet, the low beam 262 feet. And I have it right here. You don't want to see the box. Oh, by the way, it came in a box, and the first 2 came in blister packs. So this was pretty fancy, I thought. You know, this was pretty fancy. Here it is. It's pretty lightweight compared to the other one, the second one, the G32. It's got a 2-way pocket clip. So you can clip it in your pocket or clip it to your, you know, the brim of your cap. It came with this lanyard, and I put it on, not that I think it's a handsome lanyard, but because it does fit around the wrist, and it allows you to dangle the flashlight if you need to use your hand. So that might be useful. What I've noticed is all the Coasts, or at least the 3 I bought, have this red signature trademark, the anodized ring on the back. And here's the cool thing. If you unscrew the cap, boy, you have a USB plug. Now, they realize this is for recharging the battery. They realize that this may not fit conveniently into all USB things because of access or bends or tightness. So they give you a 2-foot proper USB cable as well. I thought that was pretty cool. It's got an indicator. When it's charging, it's red. When it's charged up, it goes green. It has a one-hand sliding bevel, bezel, so when you can go from a spot to a flood or anything in between. The switch is on the side. There's the high mode in spot. If we zoom back, there's the high mode in flood. Now, from any mode, if you tap it twice, you get the strobe. Guess that makes it tactical, huh? And or from a dead stop, you can tap it twice. You don't have to be on. There it goes again. So this is it. And the only reason I got it was attracted to this one. Number one, it's smaller than the 32. It's a lot lighter than the 32, and it's rechargeable, which I thought was a big plus sign. Okay, I hope this is the last one I'm going to buy. I can't afford another collecting compulsion. I really can't. Okay, I will say this. In general, I have been impressed with the quality of the Coast products. I think they're well made, well machined, well put together. They have lifetime guarantees. You know, you can run them over with a truck. They're weatherproof. I'm impressed. Yes, I know they're fabricated in China for Coast, which is in Oregon. I get it. But I think for some reason, Coast is holding their fabricators to exacting standards, and they're getting good products. All right, everybody. That's it. Take good care. God bless you. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Bye-bye.